If you've been searching for the perfect bed cover to protect your truck bed from weather, theft, and prying eyes, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best tonneau covers you can grab on Amazon right now. These aren't just random picks. These are proven performers with thousands of real reviews from truck owners who've put them through the test. Links to all products in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Let's kick things off with the king of hard-folding covers, the BAKFlip MX4. This is America's best-selling hard tonneau for a reason. We're talking about a cover that's built like a tank, but operates smoothly enough for daily use. The MX4 is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum panels with high-density polymer cores, making it 22% stronger than the previous generation. That's not marketing fluff. You can actually stand on this thing. It's rated to support up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, which means you can safely load gear on top when you need extra cargo space. The 4-panel folding design gives you ultimate flexibility. Need to haul something tall? Fold 1 panel back. Loading plywood? Fold 2. Want full bed access? The entire cover folds completely against the cab without blocking your third brake light. And yes, you can drive with it fully open. Installation uses their new click-in rail system that cuts setup time significantly. No drilling required. Everything clamps securely to your bed rails. The weather sealing is top-notch with EPDM perimeter seals that have been tested from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the one thing to consider, this premium quality comes at a premium price. You're looking at $800 to $1,100 depending on your truck model, but you're getting a 5-year warranty and a cover that's made in the USA. If you want the absolute best in durability and security, this is your cover. Links are in the description box below. Coming in at number 2 is the budget champion, the Tyger Auto T3 Soft 3-Fold Tonneau Cover. If you want serious value without sacrificing quality, pay attention to this one. Here's what blows people away about the T3. It performs like covers twice its price. We're talking $230 to $280 for a cover that installs in 5 to 10 minutes, requires 0 tools, and has a lifetime warranty for U.S. customers. The value proposition here is absolutely unbeatable. The T3 uses heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl stretched over aircraft-grade aluminum frames. That dual-coated vinyl isn't going to crack in the sun or leak in the rain. Owners report this cover handling everything from desert heat to Canadian winters without issues. The tri-fold design with pre-assembled horizontal crossbars means you fold it up to access 2/3 of your bed instantly. Need full bed access? The entire cover removes in under 5 minutes without any tools. Just release the clamps and lift it off. That's perfect for those times you need to haul a dirt bike or pick up furniture. The quick-release latches at the tailgate are solid and secure, using stainless steel clamps that won't rust or corrode. And Tyger's customer service is legendary. If you have any issues, they actually respond and take care of you. The consideration here, it's a soft cover, so while it's weather-resistant and provides privacy, it won't stop a determined thief with a knife. If you're parking in sketchy areas regularly, you might want to consider a hard cover instead. But for most daily use scenarios where you're adding security and weather protection, this is the sweet spot of price and performance. At number 3, we have the Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. The Gator EFX brings hardcover security and durability at a mid-range price of $550 to $700. What makes this cover special is the flush mount design that sits nearly level with your bed rails. This creates a sleek, low-profile look that's seriously aerodynamic. Owners report noticeable improvements in wind noise and fuel economy. The heavy-duty aluminum panels feature a scratch-resistant UV-protective black powder coat that looks sharp and stays looking sharp for years. Unlike some covers that fade or scratch easily, the EFX maintains that factory-fresh appearance for years. It supports 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, so you can stack gear on top when needed. The tri-fold panels automatically lock when closed, and the whole thing removes in minutes without tools when you need maximum bed space. Installation is straightforward. The cover comes pre-assembled and typically takes under 30 minutes to install with the included clamps. No drilling, no permanent modifications to your bed. The consideration, while it's more affordable than the MAKFlip, it doesn't quite have the same level of refinement. The latching mechanism is good, but not as smooth as the auto latching on the MAKFlip. Still, for the price difference, you're getting 90% of the performance at 60% of the cost. It's backed by a 3-year warranty and made in the USA with global materials. Number 4 is the TruXport soft roll-up tonneau cover. The roll-up design is what makes this cover incredibly practical for daily use. Unlike trifold covers where you have to fold sections back, the TruXport rolls from the tailgate to the cab in literally seconds. Dual paddle latches on both sides of the tailgate means you can open it from either side, which is surprisingly convenient when you're loading and unloading furniture. The Pesset tension control system is what separates TruXport from cheaper roll-ups. This keeps the cover tight and prevents that annoying flapping you get with low-quality covers at highway speeds. Owners regularly report driving 70+ miles per hour with zero flapping or movement. The integrated tension system is adjustable, so you can dial in the perfect tightness. The low-profile design sits just 1.5 inches above your bed rails, giving you that sleek factory look. It's barely noticeable from the side, which is great if you want to maintain your truck's lines. The consideration here is it's a soft roll-up, which means you're trading some security for convenience. The vinyl material can be cut, so this isn't the cover for leaving expensive tools overnight in questionable areas. However, for most daily use scenarios where you're adding security and weather protection, it's perfect. Priced between $350 and $450, it's backed by a 5-year warranty and made in the USA. Rounding out our top 5 is the MOSTPLUS quad-fold soft tonneau cover. The quad-fold design is what makes this cover different from traditional trifolds. Instead of 3 panels, you get 4, which means it folds more compactly at the cab and gives you better flexibility for partial bed access. Need just a little room? Fold 1 panel. Need more? Fold 2. It's more versatile than you'd expect. What's really impressive is how MOSTPLUS packed features into the $180 to $250 price range. You get heavy-duty vinyl material with foam seals that genuinely keep water out during normal rainfall. The clamp-on mounting system installs without drilling and takes just minutes to set up. The on-top installation style means it sits on top of your bed rails rather than between them, so you maintain full access to your bed rail system for other accessories. It's also designed to work with both standard tailgates and those multifunction tailgates that are becoming more common. The consideration, being the newest and most affordable option on this list, it doesn't have the long-term proven track record of brands like BAKFlip or TruXedo. But for someone wanting to try a tonneau cover without a major investment, or someone on a tight budget who still wants decent quality, this is the entry point that makes sense. That wraps up our top 5 best bed caps for pickup trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.